This is Code.org. I'm working on the Minecraft Hour of Code course. It's also called Minecraft Adventurer. Let's see what we have. Oh, I'm on level 5. Every house starts with a wall. That makes sense. Build the first part of your house by putting the place and the move forward command inside the repeat loop. Ah, tricky. Okay, and I don't think we've seen the place command. So quick reminders, these are the blocks of code we can use. This is our work area where we put our code, game area, and we hit run to test it out. I'm going to just increase the size of this. And let's see what they have for us already. Oh, I'm not going to do... Oh, yep, so I don't have anything. So what this does, repeat 4 times, it says do because anything inside of this pink, it gets repeated. So just to show you what I mean, I'm going to throw turn right, left, and turn right. And what I'm going to do here is hit run and watch. So I turn left, I turn right, I turn left, I turn right, and then it goes back to the top, turn left, turn right, and it repeats, turn left, turn right, and it's going to do that 4 times. So it's just repeating our code. So we want to, by putting the place and move forward command inside the repeat loop. So place and move forward. I'm just going to try to do it like they said, place first, then move forward, and I'm not sure. Let's see what happens. And we can hit run a lot. It's great to test your code. Oh, did we? Yeah, looks like we did it. Great.